Yo, good morning everybody. Kia ora, what's up Twitch, what's up YouTube? Kia ora no tātou. How we doing? Kia ora. Hey, what is the meaning of that carving Whakairo? What do you mean? I need you to clarify. That doesn't really tell me much. Morena. She's a bit of a nippy morning here. Kia ora, brother Kuro. How are you? How are you, my bro? I think it's time. Let's start off our day very nicely, eh? This is what I'm gonna do. Brother Kuro, you have been around for a bloody long time, my bro. 29 months. And to start off our day right, I'm going to say congratulations. I'm giving you a diamond. Just came back from work and it's time to relax. Oi, that's the one. I started playing Destiny last night and all I can think about is Destiny. What's the meaning of doing Maori wood carving? Right, brother, how have you been? What's up, good Garrett's? Morena? Ko Otta. Hey, Chama, bro. Long time no bloody see. Oi. And how the hell you bloody been? Far out. Now that's a name I haven't heard in a long time. How you been, bro? Yo, brother Chris, thank you very much for the 27 months. Call Chris, aho. How are you, my bro? Thank you very much as well, brother Chris. Yeah, good to see you, Otter. What is the meaning of doing Whakairo to me? Well, it's to uphold and perpetuate what our ancestors have passed down, you know. On top of that, it's also for me honouring my uncle's legacy because he's the one that taught me how to do Whakairo as well. Something else? There's many different reasons why I do it today. I love my culture as well. Well, that's almost a year, bro. Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy, my bro. Y'all know there's exclamation mark game? Games? It's either games or game. Yeah, exclamation mark game. If you can't find it, it's pretty much just not Brooks. It's me, but it's not. I'm good. How's the whānau? Good, my bro. Girls are getting bigger. They're both at school now. Yeah, I got married. But yeah, whānau's good, my bro. How you been, though? Sorry, chat. There's a chatter on my YouTube. He used to mod on Twitch, but he hasn't been around in a couple years now, eh? Couple years now, but bro, it's good to see you. Hey, all good, Kuro. All good, brother. Yeah, so early in the year we did a bit of a VIP purge. Just took all the diamonds away, just other than those who still, show up all the time. But yeah, brother. Because, bro, they're bloody annoying, bro. They were trying to argue with me this morning. Oh, wee. Alright, so today what I want to do, if you're new here, this is what we've been up to. We'll start posting videos of it soon. I've just been trying to stockpile a little bit so we can, upload them, quite a few, so I can cut them up as well. I do, however, want to take a bit of timber off the sides, because there's a bump here that's really annoying me, even on this side too. And then we'll start looking at shaping the end. So that's the plan. That's the plan today. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with where it's at. I might take a bit more off this handle. I'm not sure. Maybe. But nah, good to see you, my bro. Good to see you. It has definitely been a long time, brother. A bloody long time. Oh, Secret Lab and Demon Slayer doing a collab. That's pretty thoughtful. But I hope everyone's well. It is it's pretty cold here. It's really cold here. But it's all good though. I got bad COVID, was in hospital for a good while back then and all good now. Oh, that's good though. Yeah, I kind of figured something might be going on in your life. I didn't want to pry too much, so I decided, not to message too much, but I'm glad you're all good, brother. Cheers, my bro. You've been married for about 2 months now? Yeah, 2 months. I should have charged up the iPad so I could just listen to podcasts all day. I'm thinking of adding that as a sub goal when we do the 4-year subathon. I'm thinking we might... One redeem might be a podcast or something, because I know a lot of people want me to do it. I just don't know what I would talk about, that's all. There's quite a few things that I want to add in. What in a TikTok? How I use? So the plan today, we're gonna hit the handle a bit more, and then we'll start molding the end of this handle too. But all in all, everything's here. I'm happy with where it's at, and then after that, it would just have to I'll look over it one more time before I start carving the eyes out. But we're on the end now. We're in the end game. So for now, let's get into this handle. Let's get into this. Now bear with me. I'm live on like 3 different platforms. So if I miss your comment, my bad. My bad. Okay. Oh, yep, that almost happened. Bloody silly voice. But how have you been? Hope you's all good. Sorry I didn't go live on TikTok yesterday. I decided to have a chill day. Just a chill day. I've started playing Destiny again. I woke up thinking about Destiny. Oh jeez, now it starts. But I just started the campaign last night with one of the bros on my alt channel. There we go. Alright. Let's set up, He started playing Destiny again. The main reason why I decided to jump back into Destiny again, because one of my favourite characters is getting a bit of highlight on him. Last stream for me. Oh, the last stream. Oh, fuck, just sit down, dude. Shit. Fuck, that was the last stream you had, my bro. Bro, that's a long time ago. Yeah, like normally, like with the streams too, when a lot of the names that I'm used to seeing all the time don't show up anymore, like you were one. Welshie didn't show up. I don't know where he is. I hope he's okay. Yeah, Welshie stopped showing up. Haven't seen sexually active gorilla in a while. He was the usual. You never know. She was the usual. You never know. But it's good to see you, brother Otter. I'll try and get used to your name, my bro. Never played any Destiny, but I have played a lot of Warframe. Oh yeah. I see the similarities with it. When did I start playing Destiny? Ages ago, but I never actually dived into it fully. But it was pretty cool. Good morning, TikTok. How are you? Hey, much love there, cheeks. Wish I had money for PS5 to play Helldivers. Oh, yeah, I played a little bit of it. I'll be honest, once my mates stopped playing, I stopped playing it too. I did enjoy spreading democracy though, for one time in my life. Play any Tekken? I have been offline. I want to get back into Street Fighter because Akuma got released. How good is it seeing Terry Bogard, eh? Thank you very much to Kev and Gabriel. Where are we? I just want to make sure the OGs, yeah, my bro. A lot of the OGs don't show up to the stream anymore. But all I wish for is that, you know, I hope they're living good lives. Just like you two. When you had to dip and do your thing. Like I don't get pressed that none of the OGs show up to the stream anymore. It's all good. But that's my main thing. I just hope you're all good. You're looking after yourselves. Yeah, I held on to Welshie's VIP for a bit, but yeah, he's not around anymore. I hope he's all good though, no matter where he is in the world. Hey Amina, is this actually... Brother, I'm Brooks. I'm fat. I like being fat in the winter to stay warm. I've got 2 kids. I'm married. This is a wedding ring. I've had about probably 20 plus arguments in the 2 months I've been fully married. Nah, I lied. It's only 15. I'm real. This is real. This is real too. Yo, what's up, Gemmin? Shots in the winter. I got thunder thighs, bro, so it doesn't really matter. Like my daughters, they're like, "Oh, Papa, why are you so heavy?" And my wife goes, "He's got a fat ass." And that's why you see it, I do. Yo, thinking Cullen and Vince. Yeah, that's me, bro. I'm Brox. Why is the H in my name? It's just there to look cool. Because BRX was taken. That's the origin story of the H. Where do I get my name from? Broxica the Red. My favorite World of Warcraft character. Are we thankful for the words of Caesar. I'm going to watch it this weekend and I'm excited. I haven't seen it yet, guys. I haven't seen it yet, but I am very, very pumped to go and see Planet of the Apes. Thank you, Wolfgang, Cullen, and Turner. Oh, 2 galaxies. I do apologize for missing those. Oh, and a window too. Thank you very much for that. Sorry, guys. See, that's why it's so hard keeping up with 3 chats. Still playing well? A little bit, my bro. A little bit. I recognize this man. Hey, my name's Joy McClure. You may remember me from such films as Thor, Love and Thunder. Right. Hey, another one I enjoy. Yeah, I've been enjoying remix lately. Not so much the classics though. I honestly don't have time to play classics right now. But I was watching Kevin Hart and Kai Cenat's Kevin Hart and Drusky stream. Bro, they're funny, bro. They are funny. Where did I put my hand? Got the rasp on my damn hand. They are funny, bro. Pancakes or waffles, whatever one gets made for me in the morning, which is never, so I can't really say. I'm not a breakfast man. I don't like being bloated in the morning, or full, I should say. I'm getting a bit iffy working in my wedding ring. Thank you very much for the galaxy, Chris. I did spot that one. Let me go and take this inside. I'll be back soon. Thank you very much to Ruby Whirlwind for the brand new tier 1. Kia ora, Ruby. Oh. Thank you very much, guys. How are we this morning? This is alright. Yeah, Ruby, it is. This cool name, by the way, Ruby. Yo, what's up, fat man with a limp? How are you, my brother? I've done a lot of remix trying to get all my mogs. Yo, Rude, do I need to play a plate class to get tusks? Or can I just use my monk? I feel like you'd have them. If I need to play a plate class, I better just do a cheeky plate character straight away. Sorry if I'm missing comments. It's best to do like long strokes there. Instead of like doing these. Focusing on one bit, move on, because then you get an inconsistency, you know, it kind of gets wavy. Yo, what's up, mayonnaise? I forgot you streamed on Twitch. You're amazing. Hey, what's up, Uwu Meow? Uwu Meow. Thank you. Not a Kiwi friend. Oh, good, Ruby. I would assume so. Yeah. Fuck. Okay. I better pump out a warrior. Just in case. I only ever just made a monk just because for the nostalgia. I got lucky with my monk on WoW because I got to use my nickname my grandmother used to call me when I was a bit of a batty boy. A batty bum bum. Do you have rasp or different? Nah, I've only got the one ruby, so this rasp was given to me by my grandfather who's a master carver. and I've had it ever since. Normally, like when it comes to like cleaning the rasp marks, you don't really need one. You just need a ruler. You just go. It does take a little while on soft timber, but yeah. Did you hit the 40 sub goal yesterday? Nah, we didn't. So our streak ended at 6 days, which is all good. Okay, I think that's good. Alright, so that's the rasping I wanted to do. Now I want to focus on the top of the handle. Those Native American carvings. Oh, sure. Yeah, bro, like even with those types of carvings, they different tools again. Like really cool tools as well. Hey brother, what you making today? We are continuing our hoy, or our paddle. Today, I'm gonna be focusing on the top today. I need a pencil. The closer I get to you, the more you make me feel. By giving me all you got. Okay, I think that's all good. Just looking over it. Thank you, Fortnite Leak. How is that game going? Safety Crocs, yeah, bro. I don't wear anything else when I'm carving, brother. Well, if I'm on big carvings, it might change, but I'll be honest, not a lot of times I get to do big carvings, and if I do, I have to do them like off-site. Thank you very much for the galaxy, brother. Sorry I just caught that. Hopefully views improve now. I admit that I haven't seen your stuff while being sub. Oh, Viking, bro, it's all good. It's all good. I appreciate you being sub to the channel, my bro. Like for me, brother, it's not, you know, I don't expect everyone to watch what I do every day, you know. People have their own lives to live too. Thank you, dear. Where are we? What's up, baby? Much love the Macadelic. Did I say your name right? Honestly, bro, your channel is the most genuine thing I've ever seen. Like I always say with my channel, it's just a cheeky corner of the internet where you can chill out. There may be a bias towards the Horde faction though, but all in all, yeah. Alright, let me just do some measuring. Fuck! Oh, that's loud. Listen to this notification, TikTok.
Big Bad Blue Bear 2 tipped $50. Keep up the hard work. Flexed biceps.
Big Bad Blue Bear, thank you very much for the $50 dono, bro. No, it's one Big Bad Blue Bear. Damn, that's a good name. Thank you very much for the $50 dono, my bro. I appreciate the aroha. I was, yeah, didn't expect that. Thank you very much, my bro. And, oh, my ears. Missed this, my bro. Yo, welcome back, Otter. It's good to have you back, bro. Even if it's YouTube, brother. It's good to have you back. Thank you, Blue Bear. I like your name, too. Where are we? You from NZ? Yes, I am. Yo, what's up, Marvo? Are you excited for the next expansion? Yeah, I hope we lose against Zelatat, though. I feel like in all of the World of Warcraft history, we have not taken a hard L, and I think it's due time that we did. And I mean, it'll be good to take an L from Zelatat because she's making every player go first, man and lady alike. So I respect it. But yeah, in my opinion, it'll be good, like, if we take a hard L. Are you from Rotorua? Yes, I am. Kia ora. Hello there, Cyprus and Ineri and Conoridge, did I say that right? Yo, Rogue Potato, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Thank you, Brother Robert. The old Beyblade. Thank you, Crispy. Krispy Kreme, round like a ram, got a hole in it. Aloha from Hawaii. Hey, morning to my fellow Kanaka. One of the most wholesome moments I ever had at BlizzCon was meeting two whanaunga from Hawaii. And it was cool. It was cool to meet them. They were cool as. Okay, hold on, shit. So what I'm doing is just setting up so we can carve it. There was a bit of timber on this side, so we've got to take a little bit off. What's the orange table thing you use? It's a super jaw. It's just a clamp, pretty much. I'm tall, so yeah. Sometimes when I go hard on the carving, the back feels it. But I can't really afford to get a table because. Thank you, Captain Edgar. Thank you, brother. I can't really afford to get a table because, you know, I don't have a shed. Who taught you to do all of this? My uncle. Unfortunately, he passed away a couple weeks ago, but you'll hear me like mention my uncle throughout the duration of these carvings because this is his commission. And as I've mentioned before, this is kind of my form of closure for my uncle, and I mean he's one of the main reasons why I'm gonna keep pushing harder and harder in Whakairo because of him. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, the last moments I spent with him before, it was like a week later after my wedding he passed away. The last moments I spent with him was at my wedding, pretty much. It's all good, Ibu. Yeah. It's definitely like hard to get over, but from how I've been doing this commission lately, because it's his, it feels like a form of closure for me. Because I never really got to, you know, have a real good catch up with him. At my wedding he just spoke about, you know, how proud he was of me and how far I've come as a person, as a human, and in Whakairo too, because he was the one that taught me. Okay, let's get this done. I'll try not to spend too long on this so I don't miss anything. Sorry. Finally found you. Hello. So you really want to know what I've been feeling for this morning? Yeah, McMuffin though. Sending prayers. Appreciate that. What's up, Mason Morton? Yeah. So when we got our videos, so one of my friends who happens to be, you know, one of my good mates actually goes out with my one of my cousins who was brought up like a brother to me. They go out and she made a video of the wedding. As much as I'd love to show you guys, I can't because it's got my wife and my kids' faces in it, so I'd rather not. But yeah, it's yeah, he's in it, and Yeah, it hit home. It hit home when I saw it. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, because I look. I'll show you because I don't mind. I'll show you the ones that were there. So some of the mods were there too, chat. Sorry about the order. Better than my name sounds. Well, if it ain't Mason Mortar. What the hell you doing around here, boy? My mate, Maya would boot my ass if I didn't ask. Yeah. I'll check it on the computer tonight, and I'll try and ring you on Discord. This helps. This is my therapy. Oh, that's good, brother. That's good. As always said, I'm no bloody psychiatrist or Dr. Phil. There's a hair requirement for that. But yeah. This place helps with you in any way, shape or form, brother. That's a W for me. Holy shit, that's a fantastic Arthur Morgan. Oh, bro, I played a lot of it, eh? I love that game. I use it a lot in Red Dead roleplay, or Red Dead RP. My character's name is Tommy Tim Tam. Yo, J Moggies, thank you very much for the brand new tier 1. Kia ora, kia ora. What is someone... What if it's someone's last name? What do you mean by that? Are you Maori? Yes, I am. Yeah, I'm keeping the end of this carving relatively simple. I don't want to do a head like my uncle's. I kind of want his piece to outshine mine a little bit. That's just because, you know, I love the old coot. Thank you very much. It's your boy and PK. What are you making? So we are carving the end of a hoi or an oar. Are you Samoan? No, but I do love my palusami though. Thank you very much, Corey, for the galaxy. And Skibbity and Bryant as well. And yay. My back's getting cold. I might go and get a jacket soon. I think I'll go and train chest today. Been train chest, so it's not Monday anymore. Everyone trains chest on Monday. Normally when everyone does that, I just go train legs because all the machines are free. Thank you for the galaxy. I did just catch that. I do apologize for missing most of it. Greetings from New York. Hey, New York. The most important question, do you say chips or choops? I have no idea for who says choops. Fish and chips. What? Fish and chips. Fish and chips. What the hell? Who says it like that? Fish and chips. What the hell? What's your favorite snack? Oh, gotta be a free one, my bro. Gotta be a free one. Even when I said it at TwitchCon, everyone was like, true. Can't go wrong with a free snack, I'd say. Where are we? I just want to make sure I keep up with comments. Hey Ruby, Rude Viking, have a good one, eh? Much love, brother. I don't envy your winters, but bro, those southern winds, yeah, bro. The answer is have you ever done a haka before? I've been doing haka most of my life. I haven't done one online yet. I probably never will. There are videos from my old job of me doing the haka, but I'm not gonna show you. Cause shame. I don't want to see a younger version of myself. Thank you, Aaron, for the spell book, and Cody, and Schiff. What's my favorite song? What has been my Whip It by Big X the Plug has been my favorite jam lately. Wanna see you whip it, show me it tonight. Like here to have some fun, so let Bro, I love that song, eh? Youth for the young, wisdom for the old. Hey, I'm not that old, nah. yeah. I I just don't like looking at videos of myself, no matter what era it was. So let's whip. I love this man. I love you too, Skitsy. Where are we in the chat? Thank you very much for the aloha today, guys. 604 likes on bloody TikTok. I can't imagine how much the #1 ranking person in TikTok gets. They must go absolutely bonkers, man. But I would assume they'd have to be on every day. I don't think I could do that, eh? I like logging off and having, you know, me time. Cause I look like a tit doing them. Still jamming layer, but yeah, they got a few new jams like Ocean Demon and all that. You probably heard all of them. Check out Coterie too, my bro. Thoughts on power carving? I think it's impressive, especially the chainsaw ones, eh? I like those. Your biggest DOS, thank you very much, and Alex and Demi as well. Okay. Hey, morning hardhead, how are you, you beautiful bugger? I think when I finish these commissions and I do one more, I might start the pressing project I was talking about, Hardhead. Would you ever try ice? Yeah. I watch those bartender guys on TikTok. I don't know, something about carving ice is just satisfying to watch. Too scared of a chainsaw? Nah, it's all good, brother. I remember we were cutting timber, me and my cousin, and he had earmuffs on and he was dicking around on the chainsaw and he didn't hear his dad yelling at him. Like, stop playing with the chainsaw, knock your block off. He's just going, nah, 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 nah. And then the uncle had picked up a big piece of wood to throw at him. And he just turned around and saw it, and we were just laughing at him, getting the growling. It's like, this is what you get for not listening, babe. I love your jumper, thank you. I'm not gonna lie, it's not really keeping me that warm. Like the bottom of it's all like stretched out. Yeah, I remember it too. Big piece of timber as well. Yo, hardhead, I think I spent a good like 2 hours fishing non-stop last night in the server. I was like, this is where I belong. I just followed, love your content. Thank you, brother. Where are we? I've been seeing some guys carve with Dremels and it really makes me want to give it a shot. Bro, give it a shot, brother. I say give it a go, brother. People make some real detailed work with the Dremel too. There's this one young fella I watch on TikTok. He mainly does anime carvings, but it's all, you know, with chisels and Dremels. It's pretty cool. Not really the stuff I try, but yeah, being a One Piece fan, it's cool to watch. It is definitely cool to watch, I must say. Thank you for the window, Ethan and Zach Maori, for the 200 plus heat hearts. Okay, well, we just moved from TikTok to Hectic on there. It's all good, man. Welcome to the Twitch channel. How could I buy something like this from you? At the moment, my commissions are full. I have gotten a few emails inquiring about a Hoi as well, a pedal. I am yet to reply to them because I've got some sponsored stuff coming up too. I think I want to say this, chat. I think, hear my words, even TikTok, YouTube and Twitch, I think I hit the big time in streaming. Why is that, Brooks? Because I could potentially have a food sponsor. I've hit the big leagues, chat. I think I just hit the big leagues. Yeah, I think I got a food sponsor coming up. As soon as I saw it, I went, do I have to eat it on stream? And they said, possibly. I went, done. I'll do it. Yo, the shrimps, thank you for the Optimus Prime and the 2 bombs straight after as well. That was the first thing I asked, do I have to eat it on stream? And then they went, yeah, probably, because they thought I didn't like it. I went, nah, I'll do it. I'm down. I will sacrifice my body. Even my wife was laughing at me. The big leagues in streaming to me is a food sponsor or a dog cam or a cat cam, like having a pet. Those are the big leagues, and to me is in streaming. One day we will get dog cam, chat. Yo, playing in the mud, thank you very much for the raid over on Twitch. You got a Discord? Yes, I do. I need to give you the invite manually. Let me do that real quick. Thank you very much, playing in the mud. I hope you had a beautiful stream. Kia ora, kia ora. There you go. Thank you very much to also Frosty Osty for the T1, and also Mr. Make Peace with the 2 months as well. This is so chill and sick. Hey, appreciate that, my brother. I'm gonna have to jump back, bro. I'ma say it. I'm ready for that sponsored stream. My body is ready. I'll even do an hour of cardio before we do that day. I'm even willing to do the Stairmaster for an hour before we start that stream. But in saying that, I do like the Stairmaster. It's one of my favorite cardio machines at the gym. Can we guess what it is? No. Because I can't say. Yo, what's up, Yerski? Where are we? Hey man, I always want to watch your YouTube videos and I love them. It's downloaded Twitch. This is my first time here. You're the best. Hey, welcome to Twitch, man. Welcome on into the Twitch website, my bro. Kia ora. I hope you enjoy your time here. I hope you find other streamers that you may enjoy too. But thank you very much for choosing me to be the first stream to watch here, brother. Again, hey, what's up, Ray Ray? I thought the VPN sponsors were the big money. Oh, bro, they probably are, but I'm gonna be honest. I'd choose a food sponsor stream over a VPN stream any day. To be honest. Yous all know me, chat. I am a, quite a cuddly guy. You can obviously tell I love food. So yeah. Alright. Let's play Sea of Thieves. I haven't played it in a while. I did see that they had quite a few new things, eh? I was buzzing at the owl. The owl is a new pet now. And many other things too. But I do miss playing Sea of Thieves. Free pies. Oh bro, I wish. No, actually I don't, because then I'd need to train a lot. So it's just negotiating at the moment with said sponsor. Hold on, guys. Just getting a chisel.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Yo, Frosty Osty, thank you very much for the 5 bomb, brother. Thank you, bro. And also Benjamin and MTG. Can we watch this for free? Oh, you're watching it now. Kia ora, Frosty. If you did get a gifted sub on Twitch, whānau, please remember to give the gifters a thank you if you did get one. Love this channel. Hey, appreciate that, my brother. Yeah, bro, we've just been trucking along as we normally do. And I'm just glad everyone's been enjoying their time here. That's the main thing. I'm just glad I have someone to talk to while I'm carving. I'm so lonely by myself. Nah, I didn't get lonely. I'm like, oh, this is boring. I've got no one to talk shit with. Majority of the time. Let me drink my digestive tea. It tastes absolutely amazing. Not a sponsor, by the way. Just helps me crap like a king.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Yo, thank you very much to Code for the Code Read for the sub, and then the gift that's right behind him. What the hell, bro?
I need you to oil this man right now.
And Hardhead with the 5-bomb. What the hell's going on right now, bro? Thank you very, very much. We have officially hit sub goal. Brandon, the day's only started too. What the hell's going on? Was almost at 1 million likes on. There's 2.9 people watching me on TikTok. Holy shit. I didn't even notice. I'm sorry. Happy days, very how often do you stream? Monday to Friday. I do cheeky 2-hour streams on the weekends, but my kids aren't home this weekend. I'm gonna go watch the Apes movie first, and due to my rising addiction to Destiny 2 making a return as of last night, I'll most likely be streaming Destiny on my other channel.
Oil this man right now.
Yo, Kuro, thank you very much for the 5-bomb as well, brother. Holy shit, man. You're making me choke up right now. Yes, I am getting back into Destiny, and I am a crayon eater too. Why have cool flashy guns as a hunter or cool spells when you can just smack people with a hammer? I got a question. What? Thank you very much for the Galaxy Sam. I will say thank you for that. And King with the 100+ roses, and Domi as well. Sorry, I got to answer this question. Something to wear that will represent my Kiwi heritage. Should I get? Oh, so something culturally? Yo, Misha, kia ora. It's actually gonna be one of my daughter's middle names, until my wife found out who it was from. I think she was gonna, twack me by the ears when she found out that's the name of Rexar's bear. Jump him with subs. Jump me with food. Holy shit, our hype train's at level 7 as well. Do you also stream games like Sea of Thieves? I am willing to go back to Sea of Thieves at some point. But if you want to see games, follow Notbrooks. I made the decision to stop playing games on my main channel. I'll only ever do it like on the occasion, like sometimes. Twitch chat won't be outdone by TikTok. Oh gosh, there's a war going on. Thank you very much, V Doom, and also Miss Tate. Did I say that right? Twitch is trying to outdo TikTok at the moment. Bro, I've been wanting to play Stardew Valley. It looks like a real nice, chill game. I could get into it, I really could. The Ghost Streak can start again. Yeah, brother, it's so good. I was watching quite a few people play Stardew Valley, and I think it's pretty chill, Twitch chat is where it's at. Depends, is TikTok banned or not? No, TikTok's not banned in my country. We don't have a Sleepy Joe. That's I still can't believe TikTok is getting banned in the country. That's crazy to me. I ain't gonna lie. That's crazy, man. Oh yeah, sheep. Every time I'm with my kids, speaking of animals, look, Papa, it's a sheep. What's another word for sheep? And they go, I don't know. He's go, mutton. And I think I got my daughter in trouble at school. And my youngest, because she was on a school trip, And because my auntie's one of her teachers, it's like, boy, we were at a petting zoo, and all the kids were saying how it's a deer, and then your daughter comes up and says venison. Now there's only one person I know that would teach her that, and it's you. And I just cracked up laughing on the phone, and she goes, I freaking knew it was you. So stop teaching your daughters to say the food words of these animals. I was like, yeah, why not? It's funny. Yeah, like the whole class is going, it's a deer, it's a deer. And then my daughter comes up, venison! My auntie just looked at me and go, you idiot father. Yo, see back. Thank you for the 16 months, bro. Thank you, brother. And also, everyone on Twitch, thank you very much for the level 7 hype train. Scratch that. No, yeah, level 7. Thank you very much to Kuro for the 5 bomb. Oh, bro. He's a gay nutty professor. I need to get this done today. Or this week, I should say. That's the plan, guys. I want to get this done this week. What part of NZ are you from? So I come from a small town called Ruatahuna. It's like in the bush. But I also come from where I'm currently living as well, in Rotorua. It's one of the main reasons why I moved here is to learn my grandmother's genealogy. I moved there when I was 16. Pretty much. Thank you very much for the hype train, guys. Oh, sure, I'm from Taupo. Oh, sure, next door. How we doing, TikTok? Thank you, Princess and Anto. What are you making? Ahoy, I'll show you. So we're just currently doing the end of the handle. Come on, you damn horse. So that's what we've finished. And this is what we're doing. So we're just doing the end of it now. Now all you degenerate thoughts people, it's not what you think. Goodness gracious me. I know some of you would have looked at it and I still live in Rotorua? Oh, sure. Yeah. I've been living here since 2009, pretty much. Thank you, Wooly. Can you speak Maori? Ai. Kei te mōhio ki te kōrero I tōku nei reo rangatira. Ko te reo Maori I tōku nei reo tuatahi I te wā e tipu ana hau I roto I tēnei ao. Yep, I know how to speak Maori. All I said was, you know, Maori is my first language growing up in this world. Bro, I could not speak English properly. I didn't even know how to do maths. But in saying that, you know, I'm glad that's the way my mum and grandparents taught me. Like even when my daughters were born, I spoke Maori to them straight away. I didn't speak any other language for like a whole week. So they got familiar with my voice in their own language. Pretty much. Nā mihi, bro. Up the walls. Yeah, up the Cowboys, my bro. Up the Cowboys. Sup, Kish and Zen. Thank you very much. Where are we? I want to be a carpenter when I leave school. Only 2 years left. Yeah, look into a trade if they have those in your country. That's something I wanted to get into when I left school, was getting a trade. But yeah, my life took an unsuspected twist. And I mean, I probably still could if you want to make money, be a sparky. Literally get paid just to turn a bloody switch on sometimes. My cousin, he's a sparky in Australia. Fuck, he's Mr. Moneybags in the family. Where are we? Just want to make sure I'm keeping up with all the chats as well. I want to have a beard like you. Oh, I need to get it done, to be honest. But the reason I'm not doing it is because I don't have anything to go to. Yeah. I'm not the type of person, okay, gotta get my beard lined up just because I have to. It's not me, it's not me. Bloody good to see you, Otter. Bloody good to see you. Alright, let's go. Trades are definitely worth it. Yeah. I think one of the ones I had my eyes on as a trade was painter. Because you know a lot of houses are built every day, and you know they'll need a painter. That's kind of how I thought about it. Hello, you guys. Where are we? Yeah, I definitely think trades are worth it still in this day and age. 1.2 mil. Oh shit, we are too. What does League C5 number 1 mean? Holy, I didn't even know we got over a mil. There's 4K people here. What the hell? Bro, those were back in the day. Oh my gosh. Hello, you guys. Can I ask where everyone's from? Absolute legend. Everyone's a legend here in my heart, brother. And if people say otherwise, well, bro, we can play this tennis game all day. I do it a lot at the supermarket. You know, the workers say, have a good day. And then I say, no, you have a good day. And then they go, no, you have a good day. I was like, no, you have a good day. Like that. Alright, thank you very much for the galaxy, my brother. Appreciate that. We got Washington, Ireland, Seattle. Where do we have here? We have Jamaica. Hey! Jamaica, Austria, Canada. How's it going, eh? France, Belgium, Canada, Kansas, Philippines, Texas, Greece, France, Belgium, España. Hey, that's a cool little thingy. Oklahoma, Brazil. Far, the whole world is watching. I think that's freaking cool. Far out, the whole world's watching. Thank you very much to Max was here for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, brother Max. That is bloody wild. Hey, young aesthetic, did I say that right? Playing rugby in Mexico. Oh, che! How's it over there? Oh, I see someone from the land of the fever as well. Get up, Caitlin Clark. I'm backing Caitlin Clark, boys. I got her back. Can't shoot a 3-pointer for shit, but I got her back. What are you carving? We're just doing the end of the handle for this pedal. I'll show you the full thing soon. I just want to mold one side and then we'll go to the other one. Okay, I'm just keeping an eye on all the chats. Sorry, I'm not gonna accept invitations to go live because I'm trying to carve. Sorry. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like what people were doing at Caitlin. So I naturally, you know, would rather support her than anyone else. What is happening? Oh, you're live, is it? Sorry, I gotta do this puzzle thing. There you go. Hey brother, hope you still remember me. How you been? Oh, what's up, Jenna? The name is familiar, I won't lie. The name is very familiar. I do remember seeing that name a long time ago. How are you, bro? What's up, Isaiah? Oh, capitalism. What a name. Do you like rugby? I love rugby. I love it. Don't really watch much of it though because you don't have Sky. You only got Normie TV. FYI, I've never actually been to a live rugby game. Would I? Are Samoans and Maoris related? Pretty much. I would say everyone within Te Moana Nui a Kiwa have ties at some point. Te Moana Nui a Kiwa being, you know, the Pacific. Okay. What are you making? So we're just carving the end of a handle at the moment. So it's not really much to see due to it, like, you know, being the molding process. But we will get there. I really want to have all the carving done this week, like all of it. And then we have to move on to commission 3 of the one. So there's like 3 different commissions that I have to do. This is the second one. My uncle finished the first one. So this is the one my uncle did. So this is the one he did before he passed away. You can see. That one there. So in our culture, when a carving has its eyes in, when the carving has its eyes in, that's when you stop carving it because it can feel, see in here. So you wouldn't necessarily keep carving it when it has the eyes in, pretty much. Yeah. And yeah, I'm doing my own variation of a hoi right now. And then we move on to the last one of this whole commission, pretty much. And yeah, it should be good. It's been fun. It's been fun. Been really enjoying this journey. The boy. Hey, Otter. What's up, my bro? Back on the Twitch. Jumped over from YouTube to Twitch, eh? Hey. The boys are back in town. That's a good song, by the way. If someone's gonna hate you, believe it or not, there are people that send me hate mail. But I just normally reply if you want to talk about it, we can talk about it. There are even girls, ladies, that flirt with me in the DMs. Just know, I show my wife these and we both laugh at them. There was one that wanted to collabs, won't say her name, but she was an OnlyFans girl. She wanted to collab. When I see OnlyFans, I think, the kind of OnlyFans that, the kind of collab OnlyFans content creators want. And there's something I do not want to do because I'm married. I love being married. I love my wife. And there was another one that wanted, she wanted me to watch Tyler 1 with her. The DMs are still there, but yeah, me and my wife just laugh at them. So don't do that type of stuff in my DMs because we do laugh at you if you are. I don't do that type of stuff. In the words of Jack Sparrow, if you had a sister and a dog, I'd probably choose the dog. Yeah. Wife with gun behind. Probably be too scared to hold a bloody gun anyway. Yeah, don't send me that kind of stuff, please. I don't do that. Would you say only 1 or 2 more streams left? Probably 1 if I sent it. But I'm gonna say just the whole week. I'm gonna try to use the whole week. Yeah, but yeah, don't try and flirt with me in DMs, chat. I don't do that. Once upon a time, I was that guy when I was young, but I like where I'm at in my life now, and I'm not how are you trying to change it. I'm happy. But if you have a Zulian tiger, if you're on OnlyFans, Hinge, anything, and you hit me up in the DMs, I will take a Zulian tiger over doing that kind of stuff. I've missed out on the Zulian Tiger Mountain original Kata or an original Wrath of the Lich King and classic Wrath of the Lich King. I've missed out on a Mount I've wanted twice in life. Since I started playing WoW. If you got one of those, I'll take that. But you don't do that stuff to me, please. I think it's a bit silly. You're barking up the wrong mountain. I won't say tree because, mountain sounds cooler. Alright. Where are we? Doi. Do 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 do. Do do do. Do 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 do. What's your iwi? Aotearoa and Tuhoi. What's up, Patty Kigs? Horo Alliance. I have been pro Horde since I started. Nah, that's a lie. I actually made a human pally when I started. Then I saw the light. Nah, so like I played in Warcraft 3 and I've always liked the Horde more due to like just playing Warcraft, brother, growing up, because the school I went to had this old laptop, right? And it had Warcraft the demo on it, where you just played the tutorial mission with Thrall. And I absolutely loved it, bro. Thor became one of my favorite characters. Like, he still is to this day. It always gets sad as he gets older through the expansions. My man's getting old. But, yeah, at the end of it all, he's still one of my favorites. It's kind of like myself, he's a dad of two. No. Thank you very much, the, what's that word? I can't see it through the sunlight. Is it ale? For the Optimus Prime. Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I've liked the Horde more. And then eventually I got to play the Warcraft game, the full one, the Founding of Durotar. And bro, I went absolutely nuts. See, I won't lie, I was 18 when I first played it. And bro, yeah, just fell in love with Warcraft in general. And I remember getting a job on my first pay. I got WoW time and I got up to Burning Crusade. And I just went degen hard on it. Ice cream so good. Thank you guys. Yo, Austin, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Where are we on Twitch? Huge respect from Finland. Hey, cheers, brother. Would you say... Oh, yeah, good wood. Thanks, Fire Force. What do you suggest for people getting into woodworking and wood carving? My advice I would give too is take your time. Trust in the processes. You may not have any at first, but that's the beauty of it all is, you know, problem solving and coming up with your own solutions. And those processes becoming your own. But most of all, just have fun, you know, enjoy the journey that you take with the pieces that you do. But yeah, just go at your own pace. And remember, we don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. See the beauty in imperfections, eh?
I need you to oil this man right now.
See the beauty in imperfections, I would say, brother. Thank you very much, Patty Kiggs, for the 5 bomb. Kia ora, my bro. I've been reading up about these things called what are they called? There's something Musashi follows. Ikigai or something? I don't live my life like Musashi. I ain't as badass as him, but I love some of the philosophies that he talked about quite a bit in his life. I always have. There's 5 of them. I can't remember the names because I just saw them last night. Yeah. Like outside of my own culture, Musashi is one of my favorite warriors in history. There's quite a few that I like outside of my own culture. But yeah, brother, just take your time. We don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. Like Bob Ross says, happy little accidents as well. And just enjoy the journey of woodworking, I should say, not for Whakairo. What are you building? I'm just doing the end of a handle. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it that high though. Yeah, Book of the 5 Rings. Yeah. I have been reading it. I know it's not a 75 hard book, but I ended up getting it. I haven't started 75 hard yet. But I want to give it a go. I think the struggle for me will be the reading. I was that kid in school, I just get the books with the cool pictures. So I could draw them. Is that a good gaming headset? Oh, it's been working for a long time, so I'd assume so. But my babies, my headset that I keep inside at all time is my Corsair headset. FYI, I'm you know, people glaze humans. I glaze Corsair. It's like my favorite brand. It's like my favorite brand. Oi. Is that cool? Man, TikTok has some cool animations, man. What got you into crafting? My uncle did. He was the one that taught me how to do Whakairo, Maori wood carving. Been listening to it? Oh yeah. Okay, with the Plane in the Mud read. Thank you very much, brother. You don't mind me asking, are you from like America, Samoa? No, I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Don't worry, brother. Like a lot of people thought I was from Hawaii. And because I'm cheeky in nature, I said yes. Just to have a laugh. Just saying, oh, what's that you done at the beach? Yes, it was. That's just who I am as a person, just to have a laugh. But I stream it on TikTok, yep, and YouTube as well. Yeah, I just like having a laugh. That's all. Hello from Tahiti. E orana. Ngā mihi tuakana. How are you? That's one place I'd love to visit, Tahiti. To go to the marae. Are you from New Zealand? Yes, I am. Horo Alliance. Ah, Horde, brother. What are you making? Just molding the end of a handle. Oh, those are some cool glasses. Kia ora, Kate. And it's always funny. Yeah, just a little bit. Not too much, you know. Just to have a cheeky laugh. It's him. Hello. I'm going on your live on TikTok, brother. Have a good time. Oh, good, brother. Drop in spam an eggplant if you like. So I know it's you. I was playing classic, but I can't do it. Can't do it anymore. So I've just been playing remix. I have a level 80, but yeah, I just don't really have time to commit, you know, that much time into it. Back in Kata, back in the day, one thing I enjoyed about Kata back in the day was just that torrents could be bellies. Where are we? Good put. I wish to be like you one day. I would say, be yourself. Be the best version of yourself. Just all I want to be is a good example. That's all. If people can take something from what I do, whether it's Whakairo, whether it's just me being me, do it. I'm not really out here trying to be the next Jay-Z. There's a lip requirement for that. RP Sauce, thank you very much for the raid over on Twitch, my bro. Someone's cooking garlic. I better check if the oven's off. I know it is, but I can smell cooked food. I just want to go check. One thing to know about me and my wife, we are fiends when it comes to garlic. Fiend, fiend, fiend. Thank you very much to... Sorry that sun's in the way, so I've got a... Boss Rex for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, kia ora. Get a big whiff. Yeah. Any more garlic fiends in here? If vampires were ever a thing in this world, I would fuck them up. Suffocate them with a garlic pizza. Couldn't be a vampire. Yeah, I couldn't be. I like sleep too much. Alright, where are we? Hello there, Aiden. Kia ora, kia ora. Do you have any advice for younger people? You want a Brock's answer or a straight up answer? I'll give you both, eh? Don't be an asshole to your parents and your grandparents. If you want anything in life, you work for it. There's too many kids these days that are huge assholes to their parents. And what makes me even mad is seeing them get pissy with grandparents, eh? Oh man, whew, I hate that, eh? But if there's things you want in life, you know, strive for them, eh? You gotta work for them. There's no easy way in life to get to what you want, unless you're married to a millionaire, that is, or your parents have money. But remember, you know, stay in school, follow your passions as well, listen to your parents and your grandparents. Yeah. That's one thing I don't like about the current generation, is how disrespectful they are to grandparents and parents in general. Oh man. It's not the one to me.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Thank you very much, buddy, yourself, for gifting someone a sub. Yeah, that's just my opinion on it. Like, just how disrespectful young people are these days to their parents. What's your favorite wild class? Warrior. Just because my name's Brox, pretty much. Yeah, that's yeah, you see it a lot these days. I did feel bad for one kid though, because he was talking shit to his mum, and he looked at me, and then I looked at him. I just kept staring at him. Like, I shouldn't have done that, but you know, don't disrespect your mother. Without her, you wouldn't be here. So I always highly respected my mum and my nan. There ain't no such thing as a Cabbage Patch Kid, I'll tell you that much. Yeah. Just remember, without our mothers, we would not be here, so please respect your mum. Or your parents in general. Yeah, don't be a dick, that's all. So the respect to yeah, bro, hard. Oh, I can smell the garlic again. Chat, this stream might end early because I can smell yummy stuff. Ooh. Although I'm smelling garlic, I'm thinking kebab, yogurt garlic, hummus, and honey mustard. Mixed kebab. I always go mixed. I don't ever get a singular one, eh? Yo, what's up, Puggy Wuggy? Thank you very much for the 2 months. Kia ora, bro. Yeah, I'm thinking a mixed kebab. All the salads. You would honey mustard, garlic aioli, and hummus. Ooh. Damn. God damn, bro. Come on, bro. Work. I'll most likely just have plainish chicken breast today for lunch. Where are we? Kiwi. Hold on, where are we here? Oh, I want a kebab now. Bro. Go and get one, bro. Go and get one, my bro. There's one thing I'd encourage people to buy: lunch. Have you ever? Yo, thank you, Kararo, for the galaxy. Sorry, I was lagging a bit there. This dude is too cool. You drive us wild, you drive me crazy. Where are we? Oh, thank you very much to Le Zulu Wolfpack for the brand new tier 1. Damn, that's a good name. What's the handle for? So the person can hold the whole pedal. Can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah. I drank 1 beer, 2 beers, 4 beers. I missed that era of wrestling, man. That was the golden age of wrestling. The funniest one was probably the supermarket fight with Booker T. Oh, that was funny. That was funny as, man.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Yo, Le Zulu Wolfpack with the 10 bomb, bro. Uncle, you just got here, my brother. Thank you very much for the 10 bomb. If anyone did get a gifted sub on Twitch today, please give the gifter a thank you. Once again, Le Zulu with the 5 bomb. Oh my gosh. Oh, Lee. Thank you very much, Le Zulu. I ain't gonna lie, I do like that name too. There's some pretty good Twitch names coming in today, not gonna lie. Thank you, Les Zulu. Hello from Texas. Kia ora, brother. Cause all my exes live in Texas. That's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. Cause all my exes live in Texas. Good old San Andreas. Thank you, Lizulu. Oh, it's someone's birthday. Hold on. Gotta go back. Hey bro, wish me happy birthday. Happy birthday, is it come up though? Happy birthday, brother. I hope you have a good day today. Much love to you on your special day, my brother. Been a while, brother. Hello, bro. Let me drink my tea. Yo, broski, do you watch The Boys? No, I haven't watched The Boys. I know there's quite a few actors from here. My sister-in-law has Prime. That's how I watch Fallout. But do you recommend watching it? I heard it's good. I heard Munter's a bit of a dickhead. That's Wish Superman, that one. Hope you're having a good day. You should watch Snowfall. Oh yeah, what's that one like? Snowfall, okay. I don't really get to watch much TV these days. Like you'll catch me watching more streams than anything. But yeah, if there's some good ones there people recommend, I'll watch it. I heard they're making like a... I still haven't watched Shogun, as I was about to speak about the Ghost of Tsushima program that's been made. I still haven't watched Shogun. I need to watch that because a lot of people recommended it. Yo bro, how are you? I'm good, brother. Very peaceful in your neighborhood, brother. I stay in the hood. It's not a good place for my kids, but at the same time, you know, me and my wife are trying to save up to buy a house too. But the rent is good for now. Kia ora rangi Māori e te pau, tēnā hoi. Do you watch Rick and Morty? I'll be honest, I don't see why people watch Rick and Morty, to be honest. I guess it's too quick for me. I don't understand the humour. It's just not for me. Even what's that other one? Adventure Time. A lot of people watch that. Closest thing I'll get to watching that and Rick and Morty is playing Multiverses. Pretty much. Why don't you use gloves? Don't need to. I take pride in my calluses. Ringaropa. That means hard work, eh? We got calluses. Yeah, I've just never worn them. But you know, each to their own. You like even that? You know? Just hold it in your hand nice and tight there. Roll it around. Yeah. Just never really needed to, I guess. So from what I can see with the end of this handle, there's a bit of timber that might have get shaved off. How about South Park? The only South Park episode I ever watched was the World of Warcraft one. The sword of 1,000 truths. Here, take it. You need to open up your inventory. You've got all the channel points saying, what's up, Steady? Cheer my bro. Where about you from the hills? Yeah, there's a bit of timber that's got to come off the top of that. Oh my gosh. Bolavanaka, holy 1.9 mil likes. Oh my gosh. Where are we? Nope. Finally found you. Hello. What's that? A hydrate? I just drank the rest of my drink too. Hold up, I'm gonna get some more. One moment. Oi. Definitely got washing to fold after this. Alright, got someone on my boat. Alright. Oh yeah. So you can see what I'm talking about, like all of that. Might need to come off. I've given that too. So there's that extra bit there. Might take that off. Just so it's flush with the handle. Yeah. So we'll cut that back bit off. Alright. How long does it take for you to carve? It all kind of depends, really. Like, I'm not really one to rush. I never have been. They used to call me the tortoise back in the carving school. But, you know, although I took my time, my work was normally finished before the deadline. But I was, you know, very carefree about trying to be the first to finish, you know. I didn't really care about that stuff. I just made sure I went at a good pace, you know. Went at a good pace, and then eventually cropped it. Where are we? Good to see you again, Honor. You're the man, my bro. How long have you been carving? Since I was 12. So I started carving at 12 years old back in primary school. I went to Whakairo, which is the name of the school. I was taught by my uncle. Then eventually years later, I think back in 2015 or 2016, went to Te Puia, went to learn there, went to upskill, learn some more. Then after I graduated in 2018, I became a resident carver for Tāmaki Maori village. I became essentially a carver for them, but you know, the man of my own schedule, if you will. And those were some good times. And then bada bing, bada boom, COVID. COVID turned up. And we lost our jobs like, yeah, halfway through the lockdown. Yeah, halfway through the lockdown, I believe. Thank you for the glasses. Thank you, headrest. Thank you very much for the 20 biddies, Juan. Where are we? Hey, I recognize you. Do you? Alright, okay. Beauty, mate. Nā wai whakaakoi aku I te puia. Nā tohunga whakairo katoa. Nā tumu. Nā kaiako. Yeah, hi. What are you making, brother? So, we're just carving the end of a handle, bro, for this carving. I just had to take some timber off because there was a bit of excess timber to the end of it and it wasn't looking too good in my eyes, so we took it off. Yeah. Pretty sure Jacinda doing was one of my last streams. Oh, really? Yeah, so, hey, thank you for the Galaxy Cruise and Elliot for the roses. So the last, after the Jacinda Dern stream, bro, she ended up turning up like another 3 times to my house. When we finished the Jacinda Dern stream that year in December, actually, she turned up to my house, my bro, again, like, as I finished streaming, because there was a car just out in in front of my driveway, and I started, you know, arcing up to see who it was, because they were just sitting there staring at me, like these guys in suits, and they had their ear comb thingy on. I was like, I paid my taxes. What do you bastards want? And she walked around the corner because I was smashing back a triple cheeseburger while I was looking at them. And then when I saw her, I went, oh, sorry. Greasy beard much. Those were some funny times. What's up, Power Plays? Troy and Demont there. Yeah, that was a bloody hectic day. That was a hectic day, bro. It's probably the one thing I'll have over Kaisenat. That man achieves everything on the daily. I'm world leader on my stream. World first. Hello there, Zanksy. Favorite rugby team? The All Blacks. The All Blacks, my bro. The All Blacks, my brother. How's that? Does that look all good? I do like, what's his name from the Springboks? The big guy. I don't know his name. He's the guy with the kind of medium long hair. Iston or something. It's a difficult name for me to pronounce. Do you do much WoW PvP? Now and again, brother. I keep forgetting his name. Estabeth, yeah, that's him. Hey, that's him. I like him, eh? He's cool. Even in his interview, when they just beat Ireland, and he was talking about how Ireland players were like seas in the finals, and he was like, why would you say that, you know? That was cool. That was cool seeing it. And the captain, I've always liked the captain. His story, brother, is amazing. Sia Khaleesi. Amazing story. On how he, you know, he got to where he is. What the fuck? You sound like Gibraltar, you reckon? Dropping the shoe for my brothers. Thank you very much for the dog as well. Sorry. Favorite football team? I won't lie, I don't really watch football. I won't lie. Thank you very much for the 2 million likes on TikTok, Fano. Fuck. Bro, that's nutty, bro. 2 million, let alone a million. It's absolutely bloody bonkers, you guys. Thank you very much for the support today. Does anyone know when Dawn Trail comes out for Final Fantasy? Dang, haven't seen you in a Maui. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lil Beefy, for gifting a sub. Alright. Sincerely yours from now until the moment I can breathe. Your name is Felix. Kia ora, Felix. I remember you from the carving school. Do you, Sammy? Yeah. Like, where's Sammy? Those were some good days, man. Carving in the, not so much the newer carving school, the old one. The amount of shit talking all the boys did back then, and the amount of laughs you would hear from the school as well. I go to the school these days and you don't really feel much of that. It's very, do your mahi, do your mahi, do your mahi. Which is understandable too. I guess a lot of that is not much of a thing in the carving school these days. Where are we here? Sorry, I still can't see my screen due to the bloody sun, eh? Was a great show when you went to the school. Yeah, I did a bit of a return stream there too. Yeah, it wasn't the same. But I'm supposed to do an IRL stream for everyone that want to see oh, it's a mukbang stream, just eating a hangi. At the moment I've been planning a matariki stream, so matariki's coming up soon, which is the Maori New Year. And I'm gonna talk quite a bit about the stars, pretty much, the Maori people. I wanna highlight that more with matariki coming up. I think there's a few matariki events happening around town, so more IRL streams for us to do. So it should be good. Brother, are you Samoan? No, I'm not, my brother. I'm Maori. I do have a lot of love for all my people in Te Moana Nui a Kiwa though. Yeah. Corey Kenshin, yeah, bro. Ever since he watched that video, then I just started following his content from there on out. Also, check that silly movie's gonna be on Netflix soon. That one you told me to watch. That one with those dinky bloody robots. And Shaggy. I don't know what it's called, I forgot. Yeah, it's just those dinky robots with Shaggy as the bad guy. Friday, yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. Freddy's something. Their main carving setup. Yeah, so that's the shed that some of the graduates are carving in. So one of the Tumu, the heads of the school back in the day when he finished, he pretty much just made him a carving crew that needed help with some of the jobs he had, and that's pretty much them in that shed. That's where I normally go, just to go and catch up with them and talk shit. So it's them, my old carving tutor, and one of the uncles. But they mainly do a lot of big mahi. Sometimes they'll hit me up if they need help, and then I'll just go and jam with them. But majority of the time it's watching them argue about what's for lunch. They're trying to diet, but they want KFC. Hey, what's up, Gio? Thank you very much to Dub, Cripe, and Dare. Kia ora, kia ora. Love you, man. Hey, as long as you're happy here, that's all that's all I can hope for. Is there's too much craziness going on around in the world right now, and I hope this little cheeky corner in the middle of the internet helps with everyone. What are you making? So I'm just shaping out this handle at the moment. Once I finish this, I'll take it out and shoes. I'm still thinking kebab for lunch. Still thinking kebab for lunch, chat. Yeah, carving's so different from when you were... Yeah, it's definitely different. Oh, Nanny Edna, true. I haven't seen Nanny Edna in a while. Is that a guitar? No, I'll show you. Could be though if I wanted to hit a bit of an air guitar vibe. Yo, Luke, guess who's back? Guess who's back? Oh, Otter, are you single? No, I'm not. I'm married. Not trying to be either. Is that a pedal? Yeah. Not one of those kinky pedals you're probably thinking about, you kink lords. Alright. There we go. So this is it here. Pretty much. So we've just been, you know, doing the end. I'll probably design the end too. But there was a lot of excess timber there where it was kind of protruding out a bit more, so I just cut it flush. There was a lot of excess timber from there, these points here, so we can smoothen out the handle too. But yeah, this is what we've done so far. Just showing TikTok, Twitch, and then I'll show you again. So that's it all there. So this design is called Taratara Ākai. There you go. And yeah, so that's pretty much him. So also this face is called a Ruru, which is an owl. So it's kind of like 3 faces in one. So if you cover the whole, you'll see the side profile of one. Nose, eye, brow, mouth. And then show the whole face. And it takes away from those side noses there, so it shows the full face. So there's about 3 faces in one. You go once again, Twitch. There we go. And that's what we've been working on today. Pretty much. What's hopecore? Is that like hardcore? I'll be honest, I can't listen to hardcore, it's too much for me. Playing WoW right now? Oi, what are you jamming? Do you speak? I have no idea what that language is or where it comes from. Where is it from? Pre-recorded, yes, this is a VOD, yes. It is not currently 11:30 in Aotearoa, New Zealand. It's a VOD. Hello from Arizona, kia ora. Thank you very much, I am Ant, kia ora. Hello from Wisconsin, kia ora. How are you doing? I'm doing good. Oh, stressful morning with my kids. Getting them ready is always a bloody all over the place, but yeah, everything's all good. Everything's all good. Alright, let me just try and cover the Twitch chat so I can see it more. Wait. Can barely see it. 13-hour difference? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I would assume it would be, eh? Bro. Yeah, like normally, I think normally my normal streaming times are around America's time, right? Is it true? What's your Twitch? Twitch.tv/Brox_. Hey, Sir Luke. Where are we? How are we doing? YouTube is all good. You should start. Nana Twitch for her weaving. You started. You already made one. Where are we? What is your native language? So it's called Te Reo Maori. Maori language. Yeah. 9:23 in New York. So I started at like just before 9:30. I feel like like it must be like mid or late evening for America. And what, early hours of the morning for Europe? Because America and Europe are two of the biggest audiences that watch across like all platforms pretty much. Do you have any tattoos? Yes, I have a moko on my arm. Oh, so it is early hours for the UK. So relatively like America, UK pretty much. That's one thing that I like when it comes to the time where we get to work in a shed with 4 walls, power. There will be carving streams where I'll probably do them like even at night, late at night, like late night carving sessions is something I'd love to do. So we kind of get to showcase for all people within different time zones. Like ideally, I'd love to be streaming wood carving at 6 o'clock in the morning. Me personally, but you know, as a family man, you can't do that. But yeah, that's definitely a time where I would probably feel more comfortable, like carving, like in the morning. What's Hall of Fame? Hall of Fame live match. I can see it on my screen. Yeah, so who knows? Like when it comes to the day that I live in a house with a shed, with a proper shed, then we can start exploring like different hours, definitely different hours of the streaming. What do you think about CNC carvings? Is that cardboard wood? Gotta be up at 6, but yeah, go to bed here. Go to bed on it. If you gotta be up at 6. Bloody no, naughty bugger. What languages do you speak? I only speak Maori, which is my own language, and English. I would like to learn sign language. Work in 6 hours. Oh jeez. Sign language is probably the next language that I definitely love to learn. And any other languages really. But yeah, sign's probably one I'd love to learn. Sing your favorite cuss word. No, because I don't even know. There's too many good ones. Horde or Alliance? Horde, brother. When I saw that comment, I just thought of the Jamie Foxx song. What are you holding? Just a carving, brother. So I'll show you the side-by-sides of my uncle's one too. I'll be showing it quite a bit. Favorite rapper? As of this moment, I've been listening to a lot of Big X and Mexican OT. Oh, there she is. Miss trying to play secret games at night. Hey, Jiggy. So these are them here. What do you mean? But I've been seeing your sneaky streams at night. Try and tell me. Do you sell your work? I do commission style though, so I normally like to do the actual piece for the recipient live. Like, got one of the bros on Twitch chat, Sturdy Butter, who was the first to redeem 1,000,000 channel points in my stream, and he got himself a carving. And we did all of it like live, pretty much. And that's cool. I don't have a shop. I don't, mass produce. I don't want a shop because, I feel like a robot. I feel like it's more genuine, starting the piece in front of the person that's gonna get it, That's just me, my thoughts on it. I know sticky shit and I can't make it. Wait, 6 AM. Oh, that's right, Aussie. Hey, what's the time in Aussie? Yeah, Sturdy Butter was the first one to get it, Otter. He was the first one. Do you have any pets? I wish our landlord doesn't allow pets, and at the same time too, our backyard is not that big, so it wouldn't make sense to have a pet like a cat maybe. But it's 9:37. Bro, what? You should have been at least up by 7. Yeah, but is that a guitar? No, it's a pedal, brother. Yeah, it's for a birthday. Yeah, ideally, like, I don't even know where we were with the conversation. See, goldfish. Thank you, Grey Wraith, for the brand new T1. Kia ora, brother. Are you someone? No, I'm not. But I'd buy their pedal. Yeah, a lot of people have been inquiring to buy it, but yeah, it's already for someone, Yeah, so this is obviously for someone, and then the next part of the commission, as I mentioned, is like 3 commissions in the one that I have to do. Are you that one guy? What do you mean by that? We friends though. Please come to Kuala Lumpur. Maybe. The first trip I'm trying to save for is my who was it that donated to him? One of my mods? It wasn't Mr. Beast. He still shows up in the stream today. The person that, gifted those 5 subs and that clip. Yo, cheers Raw, thank you very much for the raid, my brother. How are you, you beautiful bugger? Kia ora, kia ora. Welcome on into the stream. What are we doing today? And kia ora, my name's Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, father of 2, hunter of deer and boar sometimes. The 2-bite king of... No. I can eat a cheeseburger in 1 bite. I like Red Mountain Dew. What else? Yeah, sometimes I play games at night. And recently my addiction for Destiny 2 has returned as of last night. Was thinking about Destiny 2 this morning when I woke up. But welcome. Hope you're well. Yeah, brother, I'm good. We're just having some yarns with everybody now. Yeah, we'll get this done this week. This section anyway. Late night, early morning carvings. Yeah, like I feel like late night carving streams will be pretty vibey, like vibe out. But yeah, obviously, trying to save first. On top of that, trying to bloody save for our honeymoon in July. It's only local, so it's not gonna cost us too much. We're both saving for it. Did you watch Shane along with? Yeah, back in the day, I met him when I was young. And then the next one is maybe TwitchCon. Yeah. TwitchCon's a hard one because a lot of my friends don't sound like they're going. Yeah. Yeah, Destiny 2 has had one chokehold on my life since the day it came out. Yeah, bro. So I stopped playing Destiny 2 ages ago, but bro, Crucible all day, every day at one point. But that's how much I enjoyed the game. Like genuinely enjoyed it. Hold up. Yo, Hardhead, thank you for gifting a sub to Jiggy. That's my Kanaka right there. Hello from Malaysia. Kia ora. A mod that's not sub, let's change that. Appreciate that, brother Hardhead. Chat still as wholesome as ever. Isabel, does the New Zealand accent sound like someone trying to talk with a big smile? Yeah. I don't know. If you could be a biscuit, what would you be? My degenerate thoughts came into my head straight away. I'm not gonna say it. Yeah, I have to do one soon. My degenerate thoughts started tweaking straight away. Yo, Moon, thank you very much for the corgis, my bro. You could be a biscuit. Yo, what's up, Infected? How are you, my bro? You got to Kuala Lumpur, you. Yeah, I'm not sure how much traveling we'll be doing this year, brother. Yeah. The main thing I'm trying to save up with my wife right now is a house. Yeah, trying to save up for a house. But housing here is very hard, I would say. Browns. Love your order. Share the bird. Share my bro. If you could be a bar of chocolate, what would you be? Shit, I don't know. I don't even eat chocolate that much. Yo, Moon, thank you very much for the 1,000 biddies. Mr. Kiwi Boys. Ooh. Trying to stay off while waiting in the house, man. I get that. Yeah. So I'm married now. So that was cool. Like I sold a lot of commissions there. There was a lot of carvings I had to do offline as well. But we got there. But in saying that too, I didn't mind, because I kind of stopped. I kind of stopped a lot of things in order to save for it. But yeah, we got there in the end. What else? Yeah, no, I just sold a lot of carvings. I had to do 2 taiaha offline. That was stressful while trying to stream at the same time with the deadlines they gave me too, bro. So they wanted me. There was a customer who wanted me to do a taiaha, which is if you don't know what a taiaha is, chat, it's one of our most renowned weapons in our culture, and they wanted it within a week. I was like, excuse me? So because of the short notice, normally a taiaha is around 8 to 10. I charged them 15k for the short notice, and they paid it. Yeah. I was like, bro, I'm still glad I got a freaking hairline after that. Can salute here, not up here. You do small streams on the weekend? Yeah, like 2 hours, 2-hour streams tops on the weekends, if I get the chance to. Yeah, a week. Oh, right. I was ready to cut the bloody planet in half with the stress I had. yeah, and then had a very lovely couple after that asked for a taiaha, and they said, we'll give you 3 weeks, and I was like, thank you. Thank you for that. So that was very nice of them to do that, and yeah, got that done. Just, you know, they were nice, so I bumped it down to like 5 because they were nice. Yeah. Like normally it's between 8 to 10, but because they were nice and they were very considerate about it, you know, bumped it down. Carving a tire, yeah, bro. Fuck. Never again. I'd rather just say my dog ate it. Bro, never again. Can you do it? Could I have a week? Sorry, my dog ate it. Dog ate the timber I was gonna use. Don't even own a dog. But yeah, that stress was next level. But thankfully, you know, my kids were, you can do it, Dad. We'll come out and watch you and help you and not helping. But yeah, we got there in the end, which is good. Which is good. And then what else? Did like a few 21st keys. 21st keys I don't mind doing. Like for people that either want a key or some like a tonga like what I'm carving now. Like keys I can smash out in a day. Do you have a dog? I want a dog, but if I ever get a dog I'll probably name him like Sally. I've always liked that for a dog's name. Yeah, I've always liked that for a dog, Sully or something short. Yeah, I don't know. Like, if I had the choice to choose the dog in life that was accessible to me, it would most likely be a Tibetan Mastiff for when my kids are teenagers. Now, we've all been there. You know, TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, we've all been there as teenagers. We know what we did. We knew how to do it. So it only seems fair that I use that information from my life, get a big ass dog and sit it out in front of my girl's windows. Yeah, ideally. But I don't know, German Shepherd or what is it? That Australian blue heeler looks like a lassie dog. One of those. Or Saint Bernard. My grandfather has a Saint Bernard. He's old now. But yeah, probably a Saint Bernard, just like my grandfather's one. Australian Shepherds. Yeah, I like Australian Shepherds. They're a nice dog. You shooting? No? What do you mean? Get a cactus and put the outside the window like true. When I saw cactus I was like, well, hold it and throw it at the person. Well, hold man. True, I didn't think about that. Put a cactus outside their windows. Those are the times that I'm dreading as a parent, hey, when my girls become teenagers and they become interested in boys and whatnot. Oh, bro, they're gonna hate me because that's when the pit bull's coming out. Oh, Siberian Huskies. Yeah, I love Huskies too. Yeah. I don't know if I'd want to own one though. Yeah, man. I'll be honest. Me and my daughters, when they're teenagers, they're gonna be bumping heads, man, like rams. Like even with my nieces, they're pointing their lives where they're bringing boys over to their mum's house. I was doing a carving there one day, like using a chainsaw. I was covered in dust, like I had my overalls on and only thing you could see was my eyes through the mask. And I saw them coming up and, Uncle, come and say hello too. And then I just walked out holding the chainsaw. I was covered in dust, and I just boom, started hitting my chest and this big dust cloud coming off my body. And I went, who's this? With my mask on. didn't help. I was holding the chainsaw. It was off, by the way. It was off. It was off. And then met the boyfriend, and Craftsman grip shook his hand and muttered, I should have held off a bit more, but as we do as fathers and uncles, we try to show dominance through a handshake. I may have done it a bit too much, yeah. But yeah, I met her boyfriend, and I did not know how to feel in that situation. All I could think of when I met this boy was like, you little bastard. That's all I could think of. Yeah. You little bastard. And then taking my niece away. That's all I could think of when I met the boyfriend. Yeah, it was something else. But yeah, and then my niece goes, did you have to come out like that? I said, what? I'm allowed to come out how I feel like it. Covered in dust. Holding a chainsaw. Yeah. That was a cool project that we did back then too. Got to finish easy. My childhood dog was a Labrador Chow Chow. Oh, a Chow Chow. True. Chow Chows are so cute too, eh? I love Chow Chows. I like how staunch American Akita dogs are. Just how they stand up and even their presence looks intimidating. I love it. Koro Albi, yeah, that's my koro too. Thank you very much for the aroha on TikTok, guys. Yo, it's you. What's up, brother? Yeah, I think we're on like the wind down period of the stream now. Yeah. I've got towels to get off the line, and I've got washing to hang up too. Burning Crusade, yeah. Oh, bro, I don't really have much clothes, bro. I've had this hoodie since like Classic dropped. I don't really buy new clothes. Not really the type of person I am. If I got clothes that, keep me warm and fit, there's no need to buy new clothes. Thank you very much, Ron Paulie and Adali. Kia ora, kia ora. None of my... I've never had a dog or a cat, but he's a bit of a pleb. Never had someone call their cat a pleb. My youngest, bro, she loves cats. I'm like, ooh, yuck. What time is it in Australia? I don't know. It's it might be 9:30 from what one of my mods was saying. I'm in Aotearoa. Hello from Scotland. Hey, brother, are you Hawaiian? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Really dry clothing on the line outside still. Yes. If it's a sunny day, I'm gonna use the washing line. Why are they? It's a sunny day! Why waste power when they can use the bloody sun? Got a question. What advice would you give to start a streaming career? Don't think of it as a career, just do it for fun. That's the first thing you do. Yeah. Don't stream and say, okay, this is going to be my career. Do it for fun. Push content out. Use TikTok. TikTok is the best platform to go viral on. Do it before Sleepy Joe bans it in America, if he hasn't already. Oh yeah, that's like my advice, I would say. What the hell is this song? Sorry, don't know why that was playing. Just playing a song on the YouTube, guys. Alright, what's the time? How long have we been on for on Twitch, guys? Must be like 2 hours now, eh? Tell us about your WoW character. He's an orc warrior. That's about it. I don't really have stories for my characters, eh? That, not really. Yeah. I did have to make a story for him for the piece that Dave Greco did. Dave Greco is an artist at Blizzard, and he drew Maori as a woodcarver and Orgrimmar. The PvE or PvE. I've been getting more into PvP these days from watching my boy Jelly Beans. That's my guy right there. Got much love for Jelly Beans, I ain't gonna lie. We are we. How's life? Good, brother, good. I can't wait to get this bloody towels off the line. Our house goes through towels like nothing, man. Like nothing. Making me want a drying line now? Yeah, like these not it's like washing lines. I wouldn't be surprised if it's not a thing in America moving forward. They always have the latest stuff. You ever play Conan? No, not really. Are you a dad? Yeah, I'm a father of two. I'm a girl dad. I have nail appointments every day. I have tea parties. I have to play hide and seek even though they're the same hiding spots in the house every time. You know. I had to learn how to do French plaits, French plaits, 3 plaits, all the plaits in the world that my daughters want to do with their hair. And you know what? I actually enjoy it. You get a mullet. You get a mullet. Chuma bro, Kichi. All good, my bro. Have a good sleep and good to see you back once again, Otta. Yeah. Good to see you, my bro. And I'm glad you're well too, you know, considering what happened. But yeah, welcome back, my bro. And once again, tune in when you can. Don't tune in all the time because you want to or have to. Yeah, just when you can, bro. Look after yourself, eh? And have a good day at Mahi when you wake up. Are you making something? Yeah, we just finished doing some work on the hoi today. Yeah, so we've been doing this end. We'll finish this before the weekend, hopefully. Hopefully. But yeah, that's all we've been up to. Get your guns from me. Double up B. Where you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand. Jay Otter. Nah, good to see you, my bro. Straight up. Double up. Can you make Maui's hook? I probably can. Not the one off Moana there. That's too big and that's a waste of timber. Speaking of chaos cats, my cat just ran and screamed at me and ran out the room. Okay. What do you rate the mullet? Is it more of a Kiwi haircut? Oh yeah, I think it's a Kiwi and Aussie thingy. I used to have one back in the day, but hey, Formal Force, yeah, I remember him. Is that you, bro? Yeah, I remember the bro. Where did that comment go? Ah, shit, I missed it. I'm making sure I keep up with every single chat. Thank you very much, Kenzie. Bro, we're in the best hoodie. Ah, it keeps me warm. When's the Twitch return? Believe it or not, I'm streaming on Twitch right now. And YouTube, yeah. Hi from Denmark. Kia ora, brother. How's it in Denmark? Sup, goo? Hey, hello, brother. How are you today? I'm good, man. I'm good. Woke up, you know. Woke up as I do. Like, I don't have a special morning routine. I wake up, make my kids lunches, kiss my wife goodbye before she heads to work. She does early hours at the moment. Get my kids ready for school. Thank you for this one. What else? Yeah, get my kids lunch ready, make them breakfast, get them changed, do their hair, and then drop them off at school, come home, stream. Do my thing, and then finish up my stream after this, so put out another load of washing, fold the towels, and watch a little bit of streams before I go pick my kids up and we get to the park for the rest of the afternoon. That's pretty much my day as a whole, when my wife works like mornings. Like people think, oh, I wake up and the bloody swans carry my clothes down to me. No. I wake up, scratch my ass, fart, and look at the wall for about 30 seconds. Another fellow Warcraftian. I love that. All good, Kuro. You have a good one, eh? Much appreciated, my brother. Same. See? Stare in the fridge for about a good 5 minutes and grab nothing. That's normally how my mornings go. Yeah. Trying to keep up with 3 chats. Yeah, all good, my brain. I try to do my best. I try and do my best. Sounds like a good morning. A very good morning, my bro. I don't want to play this Josh Tartofi song just because I'm live on YouTube as well. And they might do that. Well, actually, you can't play that. Yeah, I'd say we had a productive day today. You guys went absolutely ham today, guys. Absolutely ham. But with that being said, TikTok, my phone has officially hit 5%. So I do apologize to TikTok. I'm gonna have to finish my stream on TikTok for today. I want to say thank you very much for the 2.3 million likes, bro. And also to all those that gifted on TikTok as well. I appreciate the aloha today. If you want to continue watching, it'll either jump over to YouTube or Twitch as well, which are in my bio. I'm going to carry on Twitch. Don't try and go away, Jiggy. Trying to send hearts and get it. But yeah, for now, TikTok, I have to say, I have to love and leave yous. And feel free to jump over if you like. Much appreciated, guys. And I will see you when I see you. Okay? Thank you very much once again. Alright. Okay. Is that one? Oi. I'm not going yet. Alright. You know what's been cool about today's stream? I haven't had to adjust the power plug on my laptop once. It's been powered through the whole stream. So I'll consider that a W, that the laptop hasn't needed to adjust the plug. Came from TikTok. Hey, what's up, Thomas? Check my boy. Go ahead, Nanny Minnie. That's a W, yeah, bro. I don't know what it is about my laptop, man. Like, sometimes it'll take power, sometimes it won't take power. Hey, count out to one that's coming through from TikTok as well. Hey, that's a pretty solid side duck emote. I took your vid and crushed that in my garage. Got AMGs and we got Bentleys extended. How's the sub goal going? Everyone like teabagged it. Everyone teabagged the goal today, my bro. Holy. Top 5 tools for a woodcarver. Mallet, chisels, chainsaw. What else? Power tools. Lunch. And a fork for lunch. There was a time where I forgot my fork one day for my lunch. And you want to know what I did? I had a chisel similar to this one. I had about 6 nails. I sellotaped them to the chisel and that was my fork. True story, true story. See, that's why I put fork in there. And I was not going to use my hands because I'd been sanding all day. Yeah, so that's all. I put fork in there. Definitely put fork in there, 100%, man. Yo, Mars Apollo, thank you very much for the 10 months, my bro. It's actually longer than that. Just had too many breaks in between. It's all good, brother. It's all good. I appreciate the other half, my bro. Have you can't see that? No, I haven't, my bro. Not yet, my bro. I think the most exotic timber I've carved was this timber from Brazil. Purple. This is a purple hardwood. It was quite dense. But yeah, different. Felt like I was carving a fig tree. Oh, that's tricky. Tell me, real snitchy. Getting married tomorrow. Any marriage wisdom? Enjoy the moment, brother. Congratulations, by the way. And I would say, don't worry about anyone else but your wife. Yeah. Like, you might not have much time to like hang with her because you know everyone will want to come and see you guys. Congratulations. But try and like find time just to have a bit of you time, definitely. But other than that, bro, enjoy the day, you know. Enjoy all the love that's gonna be surrounding you tomorrow, and congratulations once again, bro. Welcome to the club, brother. Welcome to the club. Yeah, those would be my number one things, definitely. What's the song? This is oh shit, this is the P Money. He's one of my favorite artists right now. I unfortunately missed the opportunity to go and watch one of his concerts when he was here. It's for you too. Yeah, definitely what Hardhead said. Definitely, bro. Definitely. Yeah, bro. Definitely give you all the attention that she deserves, my bro. Why are you wearing headphones? I'm curious. Can't you hear the music? Have you ever played Dungeons and Dragons? I want to, but I don't have any time to like join a campaign. Yeah, bro. It's like Desperate times called for desperate measures when I didn't take my fork to work. So yeah, I used a flat chisel, grabbed some nails, and I sellotaped those bastards to it. Yeah, definitely be keen to play it. A lot of people have asked if I could be a character in their campaigns, and I said, you know, go hard. Yeah. Oh, he's on Soze today. Ooh. Oh, I need dogs live. Shit, it's late for him. I think Taco is addicted to Valorant. The end is great. This is what unshots are for. I'm running 2 campaigns. Is there like an online variation where you can play? What region are you from? Bear Plenty. How did you learn wood carving? My uncle taught me back in primary school. Pretty much that's how long I've been going for. But throughout my life I went to another carving institute to upskill too. Yeah. Sorry, I like this song, you know. Yeah, bro, like, since I was 12, I went to another carving school to upskill, and here I am today. You're still learning, like, every day is a learning day. In my eyes, there's, you know, it takes a lifetime, you know, to master an art, in my opinion. Yeah, oh, that's cool. What's the site called? Fuck around and this a rap. Take a left, see the homies in the red. Move, they'll be on you in a sec. Yo, Zekachoro, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Couple rats in, you might see the essays. Best you to speak if you see the El Jefes. Right the it's only Wednesday. From Taranaki. Oh yeah, haven't listened to P Money in age. Oh bro, I love P Money's music, eh? Ever since I started playing on Notebook, so this is a gang you should mock. Across the water, so you see the boys in blue. I ain't talking about the feds, that's the Marabunta crew. They did those runs to the shoot. Oh yeah, oh okay. I'd be keen to try one, eh? I'd be keen. You got people moving in left and right non-stop. Somebody gas station, that's GG on top. So it's called Roll 20. Oh yeah. Helm Turf's Little Soul. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do some more washing, fold up all these towels, have lunch, and if I have enough time I'll log into the city and try and contribute towards CG. I think I'm gonna give it a go hard hit. I'm gonna try my luck. In the billabong, you know the situations get peaked. Stronger, you know, the other brothers ain't cheap. Man, them on the block, you know, he did something British. It's your best about your witness. I can't even say the words. I was there. I remember when he sang this at Wu Chang, bro. It was cool. Would you carve a piece out of an antler skull? I've seen people do it, like for a toko. Thank you very much to Dive On for the Optimus Prime, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. His favorite online game at the moment has just been RP and WoW. Yeah. But I'm getting back into Destiny, so I think I'm getting back on that, you and Zolo, I in the podcast I talked to Zolo about it. I definitely be keen to try and do a song with him. I just struggle with writing songs. I'd be keen as to do that. Because he didn't know I could sing, and then, he'd been singing for ages. Like with that TikTok where I was just singing a load of bullshit and he saw that and he goes, it didn't actually know you sang. He's like, get out of the way. But yeah, I'd be keen to like get into that side of RP, the music side. Working my way through the top. I know that you can't see me. No, I've never made a song. We all start at the bottom. Like I think of songs and when I'm asleep and then I wake up and still remember them and then forget them seconds later. Oh, I should show you Big Rennie. So I've got another character on RP. He's just a fat guy, and he just goes around like I just cruise around because this one guy goes, "Hey, what's your name?" I'm like, "Hey, my name Big Rennie. I want me a Chevy. You might look at me when I'm eating the deli. I know you jelly when I hit the gritty." Just a fat guy that just walks around and just does his own thing. Yeah, so if you just see a big guy with dreads and a big beard, it's probably Rennie Ranger. He was gonna be my cop character, but he's just gonna be my muck around character now. Yeah. Gotta keep a journal by a beard. Yeah. I've been told to do that. I just keep forgetting. We all start at the bottom. I know that you can't see me. We don't stop. Never met a Maori who can't sing, and you should meet my wife. When the kids start singing and they do trills, I look at it as it's not from your side. Yeah, when they start singing mean, I just look at it. Sometimes my kids will just sit there and like do trills here and there. I'm like, that's my side. And I let her know it too, chat. I let her know it all the time. Okay, have we hit our 3-hour quota yet, chat? When I'm feeling low. I was so impressed I didn't know Hutch could sing. I love my fiancée, but she is beyond to believe me. Same with my wife too, my bro. She makes a bloody dolphin sound like the American Idol winner. I'll probably get a text soon. Time I talk about it, you know, the universe tells you. Are you speaking German? No. How long have we been on for? I can't tell. Nah, straight up, it's Jiggy. Brr. She gonna get you for that one. Nah, she won't let me sleep on the couch because the game's right there. Double-edged sword, guys. Double-edged sword. 3 hours. Oh, me. Yeah, I'm trying to stream at least 3 hours a day. 2.5 hours worth of work. Some of this towards the end. Genius smooth. Yes, I'll turn the internet off. I'm like, who pays for it? Where's the next project? Tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow too. Let me see if Arnie's still live. I might read him. He's normally the stream I go and watch before I go to bed. Oh, actually, let me go down a bit lower and see who's on. You can form the instant lies. Lies. A lot of good peeps on today. I don't know who to raid. There's a lot of good people on. When I finish all. Alright, chat. Yeah, I'm gonna call it there for the day. Thank you very much for the streams today. Even Twitch, fuck, he's popped the fuck off today. Once again, appreciate the Aroha. He's absolutely blew the back out of my bloody sub goal again today. And we also got one of the old mods back in the stream, which was really good to see. It was really good to see him again. Back and tuning in once again. But for now, guys, yep, it is I'm gonna call GG right there. And much appreciated to everyone that tuned in today. Who should we raid today? I don't know. I don't know who to raid today. It was another great stream today. Good progress too on our piece. And then we can send it off. Oh, Zolo's on? Oh, yo. Alright, I'm going to just read my boy Zolo. Go and check out his podcast on YouTube as well. Did an episode with him too. And the music you were listening to was actually his. Pretty much. So you go show some love to my boy. Good dude. Good person outside of the stream as well. Fortunate enough that I got to meet him at the last TwitchCon. Remember too. Have a good one. Aroha nui, and I'll see you later. Ka kite.